Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain about what is the node.js and what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage of using node.js. Why we use it. So let's start. Okay. So uh, uh, to run the JavaScript code, we need to uh, JavaScript engine, right? To run the JavaScript code. So every browser have every browser have a JavaScript engine for executing the JavaScript code. Like uh, Chrome have a V8 engine, Microsoft Azure have Chakra, and Firefox use Spiders Monkey. That's JavaScript engine that we use in the front end side that you use the executing the JavaScript code, right? But uh, what if you want to use backend side? If you want to use JavaScript code in the backend, so what happens? Node.js come into the picture. Node.js it helps to execute JavaScript code outside of web browser. So basically, Node.js is the runtime environment that executes the JavaScript code outside of the browsers, and that the Node.js built on the Chrome V8 engine. So it is a more faster compared to others. Okay. So uh, what is the advantage of Node.js using the Node.js? First, first advantage is single language. You can don't learn more language. Just learn one language, JavaScript, and you can develop the front end as well as the back end using the JavaScript code. Right? So it's a single language. You need to learn only single language, and you can use both side front end and the back end side. Okay. And the second one is there have non-blocking event-driven architecture uh, that's helping JavaScript that helps to application to handle the multiple concurrent requests and they not block the main thread using the non-blocking input-output model that use Node.js. So first one is a single language, and second one is a non-blocking input-output event-driven architecture, right? And uh, also we have other advantage like large ecosystem, uh, right? Uh, you heard about the node package managers. This is the collection of modules that you can use in your application, in your project. So it will help you to uh, quickly added functionality in in your application using the modules. And the community, it's a vast community, active community developers, and it's continually growth happens. And if you're talking about the disadvantage, so one there have a performance limitation. Means, yeah, this is the non-blocking input-output model. But what happened? That that is not uh, uh, particular working in the CPU intensive operation task because it's a single threaded language, single threaded architecture. So the CPU intensive operation it's a high complex will take time. So for this, it is helpful for using multi-threaded or multi-processing language. Like, or we can handle using the microservice architecture for this. And how to use the Node.js. So first, what we need to do, first you need to install the Node.js uh, in the official site, and uh, you can download Node.js and you can start Node.js, right? And how to create the Node.js basic server. So you need to import the HTTP module that have already come with the Node. Whenever you install the node, it will come with the some local modules that just you need to just install them, not uh, means you need to just import them, not need to install. Some of are the external modules, some of our internal modules, some of the custom modules that we are creating and use in our application. So the HTTP is the internal module that we just import them and use them. So using the HTTP, they have method http.create server, and it will take one callback function, and inside the callback function it will take two arguments, request and response, and using the request and response we are handling the user's request and giving according to the response, right? And uh, you need to start the server, you need to listen some ports, right? So you need to dot listen method, you will dot listen, and it will take two arguments. First is the port number, which you what which port you want to run for your server. So taking this port, we are accessing our server, and it's a basic simple details about the Node.js. Uh, so if you're not familiar with the Node.js, you just go to the Node.js documents. You need, because the documents is a very important thing to learn into the deep about the topics, because that document is the authentic source. And if you are talking about the modules, so okay, that's all about the Node.js. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.